Binasag na rin sa wakas ni Andy Eigenman, ang kanyang katahimikan, sa tsismis na umano'y hiwalay na sila ng kanyang partner na si Filmar Alipayo. Sa kanyang social media stories, ay naglabas ng pahayag si Andy sa isyu. Galing umano siya ng bakasyon, ngunit laking gulat niya dahil, nang siya ay umuwi na ng Pilipinas ay hiwalay na raw sila ng kanyang partner. Kaya naman pinabulaan niya ito. I literally went on a vacation, with my brother and our kids, and come home to find out, through the internet, that I've just been separated. Sinagot rin ni Andy ang paratang, na umano'y pinike niya ang kanyang pagdadalamati, sa pagpanaw ng kanyang inang si Jacqueline Jose. The internet didn't seem to like that I was grieving the loss of my nanay. Apparently, according to them, I had been faking my sadness about it all along. Not enough social media posts perhaps. Due to this, the internet has decided that the reason for my sadness is not that I have recently been an orphan but in fact, a divorce, even if I had never been married, sabi ni Andy.